Welcome to Toonberry!
My name is Sully. What's your name?
I'm Jason. I'm your daddy. And today we are super excited because we're going to draw SpongeBob SquarePants. And we have one other special thing happening, which is Sully's first day of...
First grade.
Her first day of first grade tomorrow. So we're excited. We've been waiting to draw SpongeBob for a couple days because we were waiting for some new gear to come in and we finally got it. So we can't wait to draw today. And is there anything else you're pretty excited about the drawing?
I'm excited because because the coloring part, I think I might make the colors like perfect.
Oh yeah, let's go. Ready?
Woohoo!
Woo! Let's draw. All right, ready to draw SpongeBob?
Yeah!
All right, let's go. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is draw his nose, which is like a sideways U shape, and you gotta remember that it comes up. It kind of bends up, so we wanna take it slow. So it's kind of like a side of a banana or something. Okay. Okay. The next thing we're gonna do is draw his lip, which is like a sideways triangle. So now we're gonna draw his top lip. You start at this corner, okay, and make it come to a point, and then up. Yep, and now straight down. And then a U. Okay, stop. Now we're gonna draw his big square teeth. Ready? The first one is just a big square on the left side, and then another big square on the right side. Oh, good job, you already connected it. So then you just connect the mouth to that, okay? The next thing we're gonna do is draw his cheek over here. So right above where the side of his mouth is, oh, that's okay. You draw a upside down U shape. Now there's 3 dots in his little cheek there, his little freckles. Okay.
I want to do a
So now we want to draw, coming out of this cheek, we want to draw his right eye, okay? So coming out of here, you draw a big circle, the closest perfect circle that you can do, okay?
Is that good?
Very good. And now we do the same thing on the left side, a circle that comes out from here and goes down. Now we're going to draw his eyeballs. So another smaller circle in each eye. Perfect. And then we're going to do a black dot circle in the middle of each eye. And now we're going to do his eyelashes. There's 3 little rectangles on each side. Cool.
Oh man, I wish I was ahead of you.
Well, you're almost there. Okay. Next one, we're going to draw the tongue. So you make like almost like the letter M. So watch this.
We're almost a heart.
Yeah, it's almost half of a heart. Look at this. So that's pretty much his whole face. So now what we got to do is start the sponge. Okay, so I like to start maybe like this high above his head, make a wavy line all the way across. Okay. Now we will do a little bit of a wavy line here, but not quite as wavy, okay? Now we make a wavy line down from here to about here, okay? Okay, now we're gonna draw his arm. So you draw a straight line coming out of the first curve up. Do the letter C coming from the top side of the arm right here, okay? Very good. And now you make it curve all the way around and under. Yep, great. And now you just draw a little U. Now all we have to do is draw a line going up to that arm. Okay, next we're going to draw the other arm. Now we'll just draw 2 straight lines. And then same thing we did over here with this, it's like a letter E, but facing the other way. Curve and go under. Yeah. Okay. Very, very good. And then you do this on top. A circle, but then you draw a tiny little line in the middle of it.
Wait, I want to make my SpongeBob wearing gloves.
Okay. Now from here, draw a straight line down.
This one looks like he's gonna go like this.
He's reaching out of the picture.
And then going.
Yeah. So
He's
draw.
gonna smack me in the face with the giant pie.
He probably would. Or Patrick would smack him in the face with a pie. Right? So let's go straight down. So now we're going to draw his shirt. Okay, so now we can draw his tie, which is a circle. So now we draw another line coming from this side.
This is SpongeBob's twin.
I know, it looks great. Okay.
I'm a step ahead of you.
Now, you are always ahead of me. Now his belt. And now, same thing on the other side. And the finishing touch is we're just going to put his spongy circles on his face and body. I think it's time
to color!
Let's go.
Yay! Diddle-diddle-diddle. I'm starting with beige. watching our video on Toonberry.
Today we had such a great time drawing SpongeBob SquarePants.
And my SpongeBob is running. I'm gonna smack Patrick in the face
What?
with a pie.
What? Are you serious? What kind of pie?
His least favorite pie.
Oh, okay. Well,
Sponge pie.
sponge pie. That sounds kind of good.
It's made out of a sponge.
All right, maybe I'll check it out. I can't wait to do another video. Keep your eyes peeled for more drawing videos from Toonberry. See you next time.
Woo!
Bye.